Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting, I just want to introduce myself. So I've had a YouTube channel for almost 7 years now, if not so. But now I'm focusing more on content creation, social media marketing, and give you some tips on how to design your own content. So follow me if that interests you. On today's video, as promised from my last video, I'm going to share with you how I make my own Instagram filter for my stories, for Facebook as well, Messenger, and all the shebang. So stick around if you're interested in it. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, just in order for us to connect a little bit more. I really would like to just be more present, and in there you can see updates in there you can see some daily vloggings, more content, more tips to share. Follow me if you want to know more or stalk a little bit. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to help me. That helps a lot. And I would love to get your feedback. And also you can follow me on all my social media, because that's where I share daily my thoughts and my days and all the things, and more tips also. So yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, be sure to just check it out if you feel like it. But yeah, let's get into the video, shall we? So before starting, this is going to be a tutorial video, so I will just share my screen and all the steps that I did in order to create my filter. But first of all, I just want to say the tools that you need to use, and you can download them right away. So first of all, I use some kind of editing app. I use Lightroom. That works perfectly for me, and I've been using it for editing my photos and so on and so forth for years now. So I highly recommend. It is free for your mobile, so you're good to go. The next app, which is also free, is the 𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒚 Studio. I feel like that's the name, and that's where you are going to create your own filter. So you just need to download it. I'll have the links for every single app and every single thing I mentioned down below, of course. But yeah, that's basically everything you need. And also to download the file that I have down below on the drive for you guys, because that's what you need in order for you to create the filter and do all the shebang. So yeah, I really hope this video helps you. If you have any doubts, please leave them down below, as well as video ideas. But yeah, let's go to the tutorial. So first of all, I used the app Lightroom. So the first thing that I did was to choose my presets, and here you have to go onto effects and details and set everything to 0, as well as on the split tone, just because if not, your effect can be a little funky. So then the next step is to copy the settings of your photo and paste on the LUT photo that you have. I already linked down below so you can get yours. Then you just need to export it. Now opening the app 𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒚 Studio, you can also see it linked down below, so you can download it. You create a blank project, and now we're going to create our effect. Then you click on the plus button and you search for Canva and you insert it on your project. You do the same, but search for rectangular and insert it. Now you need to set the width and the height to fill. Now on the material, you can click on the plus. That's gonna add the material to your canvas. Then you're gonna go to view and select show patch editor. Then you're gonna click on texture, and you can import the LUT that you previously exported onto your patch editor, like I'm doing. The next step is also to import the LUT file, as I'm showing. Then you're gonna drag your LUT file onto the patch editor. Then you're also going to add the camera texture to your patch editor. Then you select the texture of your LUT and set the settings as shown. And now you click on your image and drag it to the patch editor as well. Then all you need to do is to just connect everything as shown on the screen, and you're good to go. So the last step that I had to do before uploading the filter was just to select my experience. Then all you have to do is honestly to just publish and upload your filter. This will automatically open a new window on your browser so you can finish setting everything up. Here you'll choose to which platforms do you wish your filter to go, the name, some tags, what type of experience does your filter provide, and everything about it in order for it to be more descriptive as possible. So I first upload the image that I would consider the icon for my filter, and then I saved it and I test on my device, and that's where I filmed the demo video. Then I just upload it to the computer onto this website and you're good to go. So that was the video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. I hope it helped you in order for you to also starting to just create your own identity on these digital platforms. I loved my filter and I'm just doing some updates on it as well, because whenever you test on your device, you can see that the filter is not as sharp or the right settings that you'd like. So you always need to test and then just update your filter and you're good to go. So that's my journey now. I'm also creating some new, more and fun filters, so be sure to also follow me on all my social media, so in order for us to connect a little bit more. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. Comment down below some ideas for next videos, and yeah, I love you all so much and I'll see you next week. Bye!